think we got us. Somebody hopped up on the porch, had some twigs in his mouth. I think we got somebody making a nest underneath the skateboard. Now let's check it out. Oh dear, can you see him? I think we got us a bona fide nest going here. Putting some content up on the old YouTuber. All right, I'm gonna move in for a closer look. The bird hopped over to here, but then I just saw him fly out the back end. I bet he's hidden behind this giant Tupperware that we have here. Here's my favorite skateboard. Got a Dwayne Peters skateboard. Look, the two cowboys with the peckers touching. Can't wait to ride that again. Let me see. All right. We're gonna go look behind here. Uh-oh. I don't know. So far, I don't see any proof of a nest, but they made one in here twice when there was a pillow we used to keep in there. And over here, all right, false alarm, but praise the Lord. There's a neighbor's house. They're always in these bushes here. And no lizard today. It's kind of nice. Anywho, everybody have a blessed day. We're enjoying the mild North Carolina springtime weather. Reading a little Holy Bible. Having a smoke. Everybody enjoy themselves. God bless.